Hello. Well, behind me, amongst all of the other chaos, you can probably see the Baja BMX bike that I've been working away at, bit by bit. And forgive my clumsiness with the video part because I'm used to just making the videos after I've done the work. So this is an attempt to do it as it's happening. We'll see. So the fork all cleaned up, and I've actually put grease in the cups and even on this part here and on the lower of these bearing cages. I have to say this was really dried up, and the grease that the previous person had put on, or perhaps the original factory grease, had really become quite gummy. Anyway, got all that off. So here we go. Putting the fork in, lots of grease there. And then I'm going to grease this cage a lot. Bung it in, as they say. Trying to get it in between all of those bearings. There we go. I reused the old bearings. They seem fine. I'm going to put a little bit of grease on the actual threads here of the fork. And even on this bit here, I'll put some grease. And you want these bearings to be facing inwards, in this case up, since the bike's upside down. And there's quite a lot of grease already in there. And then I'm leaving it upside down so I don't have to deal with the fork falling out as I do this. So just going to thread this and hope it all goes in smoothly. Yeah, if I turn it upside down, I think it's all going to fall out and be awkward. I'm just threading this carefully so I don't have an issue with crossed threads. That wouldn't be good. So I've been cleaning this bike up bit by bit. There was a video a few days ago of the bottom bracket having this same process with lots of grease. There we go. Just going to do that hand tight for now. Now we know when I turn it over, it's not all going to fall out. So, excuse my back to the screen, but here we go. Let's try this. I'll flip it over. I have to say I'm also guilty of just working on the floor. So I have this lovely stand that the kids got me and hardly ever use the thing. But it does save bending over, that's for sure. So now we're just going to put this has a little slot in it, this little ring, this locks things in place. So this is probably highly invisible now. And let's see. There we go. So there is a slot here, and I'm just going to make sure I put that in place so it locks in. I mean, you can't really go wrong. There's no way to misthread that. That seems, I mean, I'm just doing that hand tight, and I don't feel any play, but I do feel lots more smoothness than I did before. And then we'll put some grease in this final locking bit. And that'll be it for today once I do that. I'll tighten it on, of course. So there we go. But this is a fun, quite simple little project. The rust that's on the frame is very light, sort of dusting of rust, so I've just been using the finest of fine steel wool and pressing very lightly, and then I'm going to polish it. Oh, there goes the sump pump. We've had quite a lot of rain here in Toronto. Let me just tighten this on. And maybe one more for good measure. That feels good, and there's no play, thank goodness. Okay, don't fall over. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.